In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake pedal switch on this Dodge Grand Caravan. It's located underneath the dash on the brake pedal, so let's get started. Looking under the dash where the brake pedal is, just follow the brake pedal up. You'll see this right here, which is your brake switch. So with a trim tool, I'm going to pop it out of its retainer. It just has some tabs that lock it in. There we go. Once that's popped out, we can disconnect the wiring harness. You'll see some tabs here on the back side. Press those in and push the harness up and out. There we go. There's your old brake pedal switch. Let's plug in the new one. Okay, that clicked. Now we have to line up these tabs here with that cutout. Now, if the tabs are offset, just grab some pliers and turn them so that this larger tab that sits on the base can face this way, just like that, the same exact way that the original one came out. If they are offset and you cannot line this up, it will not fit. There we go, that's locked in. Depress the brake pedal to ensure that it stays seated, which it is, so that's perfect. And there you have it. Test it out, make sure the brake lights turn on when you depress the brake pedal. And that works as it should. So there we go, that's installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.